Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of coal production in India, exploring the types of coal, key coal-producing regions, and their role in the country's energy and economy. Let's get started. India is home to a rich variety of coal types, each with unique characteristics and uses. These can be broadly classified into four major categories: anthracite, bituminous, lignite, and subbituminous coal. Each plays a crucial role in powering the nation's economy. Let's start with the highest rank, anthracite coal. Known for its high carbon content, which exceeds 86%, anthracite coal burns cleaner than other types. This means it produces more energy and less smoke. However, anthracite is rare in India, and the main deposits are found in the northern state of Jammu and Kashmir. Next up is bituminous coal, which makes up the bulk of India's coal reserves. With a carbon content ranging from 45% to 86%, this type of coal is essential for power generation and industrial use. Major deposits are spread across states like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and West Bengal. It's the backbone of India's energy production. Now, let's talk about lignite coal, also known as brown coal. Lignite has a lower carbon content, around 25% to 35%, and higher moisture levels, which makes it less efficient than bituminous coal. Still, it plays a vital role in power generation, particularly in states like Tamil Nadu and Gujarat, where it's used in thermal power plants. Finally, we have subbituminous coal. This coal falls between lignite and bituminous in terms of carbon content and energy output. Though its production is not as extensive, it still contributes to India's overall coal supply, particularly for power generation. India's coal reserves are spread across several key states, each contributing significantly to the country's energy needs. First, let's talk about Jharkhand, home to famous coal fields like Jharia and Bokaro. Jharia, in particular, is known for its high-grade bituminous coal, which plays a major role in both national and international energy markets. Moving on to Chhattisgarh, the state is renowned for its Korba coal field, which supplies a substantial amount of coal to thermal power plants across the country. Then we have Odisha, with its Talcher and Sundargarh coal fields. These regions are crucial sources of coal, fueling both state-run and private enterprises. West Bengal is another powerhouse, with the Raniganj coal field being one of the largest and most productive coal fields in the region, providing massive quantities of bituminous coal. Next, let's look at Madhya Pradesh and the Singrauli coal field, a key area for thermal power generation, ensuring a steady supply of coal to the nation's growing energy sector. Telangana also has significant coal reserves, particularly the Singareni coal fields, known for producing high-quality coal. Finally, Gujarat contributes to coal production as well, though on a smaller scale compared to the other states we've mentioned. In conclusion, coal remains a cornerstone of India's energy production, with bituminous coal leading the charge. From the coal-rich states of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Odisha, to the lesser-known but equally important regions like Tamil Nadu and Gujarat, India's coal industry powers its economy and helps meet the energy demands of the country. With ongoing efforts to balance energy needs with environmental concerns, coal continues to play a crucial role in India's future. That's all for today's video. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on energy and industry trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.